I can't tell you how frustrated I am. I hit a nail the other day, just destroyed my blade. I was stuck in not this log, a different log, and I burned up a bar. You know, I had to get through it. I couldn't, it was wedged. I had to keep going. It was just cutting dust. It got hot. So I bought a new bar, new chain. Now this isn't the new bar, and it's the old chain that I sat there and I cut. It was a brand new chain, and now it is about a half a chain because I didn't go that far back. I just hit 2 nails again. So this chain literally has had maybe a half a cord through it. I don't know if you can see, I hit it that one and on the other side there. I didn't even realize I hit that one yesterday, but we're done on the processor. This log is gone. I don't have any more of these, I don't think. Boy, am I pissed. All right, let's get it split. I don't know if you can see that, but it put a bunch of nicks. One, there, a big gouge there. They need to really pass a law of some sort. I hate laws about that kind of stuff, but my God, don't be an a-hole and put nails in a tree. It never does any good. Now, it's your tree. If it's yours and you put nails in it, so be it. But don't go give your tree to somebody and tell them, hey, here's some firewood for you. That's where that came from. How frustrating. Behind me back there, there's some piles of debris from that big pile of Mount Oak. That Mount Oak and Mount Maple that was back there. We're gonna trim up and clean up the crumbs. If you recall, this pile of wood went from way down there to down here. We'll get started right here. Hopefully nobody else has been a Richard or an a-hole. One and the same in my opinion now. We're using the 362 today instead of the 441. The 441 is a little heavy for this stuff. I guess she's a little dull, huh? Wouldn't cut straight. Dang. I worked on that chain for a while. I'll go work on it again, but we're gonna load this up and resharpen the chain. I can't get through the rest of this stuff. I don't know if you can see this or not, but this chain has only got 2 sharpens. The first one was after I hit that nail, so I had to take about half the link off to get the corner knocked back. And it wasn't a nail, it was like a logging spike. It was like a 1/2 inch spike. And I knocked the rakers down. I'll have to do the same thing again. I think this chain's just about shot. But let's get this loaded up. We'll get another chain. All the odds and ends are going to go in here and not get stacked up. Everything I'm throwing in this disposal, this boiler, is just the scraps. That's the last odd piece. The rest of it will get stacked up. With that, the wood shed is full. I got a little hole on the other side I got to fill up, but not bad. Right there, we'll fill that in. 25, 26, firewood season. We're ready for it. This is it. The rest of this I'm going to burn out of the trailer. It's April 3rd today. I think I have probably another week or 2 weeks of burning. Sometimes we make it to May. Next couple days or next 2 weeks, it looks like 40s and 50s. So we'll probably be burning for a while yet. Gotta absolutely love farmer ingenuity and how people build things. You know, this I believe was I bought this probably 3-4 years ago, and it was an old mobile trailer frame, I believe. And man, did they do a good job building it. It's got electric brakes, lights. Well, some of the lights work. I gotta do a little work to that. We got all the deck boards off, and we're gonna replace them with oak. I had womanized on there, and it finally rotted out, wasn't safe anymore. So I'm gonna replace this with oak. It's red oak, but this will be the last time I replace this in my lifetime. I won't touch this again. We'll oil this up and we'll go from there. think it turned out pretty good. I had one little mistake. I cut one of the pockets in the wrong side. Took the measurement off the wrong end. You'll have that. I'll be transparent and show you. This one right here for that bracket. This one, I just measured it off the wrong end. But other than that, I'm gonna say it all looks good. This is the equipment trailer for my tractor and logs when I go pick them up from people's houses. And you saw at the beginning of the video, we ended up getting the lumber yard cleaned up for the most part. Let me show you that pile I was working on. And all that's left from this year's firewood is all cleaned up. I don't know if you recall, but right out there, there was that big pile. I just got a couple little logs left out there. I've cleaned most of it up. Just a couple logs left for some, I guess I used those for runners, didn't I? Yeah, those are a couple of the runners. But I have 2 logs that I got to split up. But you can see where it all was. It's all gone. So that'll do it for this video. I started the firewood. I did that yesterday. And this trailer deck, I need to get that done. I got some work coming up. I got a stump grinding job to do. And I have got to go up north a little bit and pick up some logs from, what is that? Part of a shoe. I got to pick up some logs from a guy. Okay, so I'm going to get this cleaned up out here, and we'll see you out here in the lumberyard next time.